Welcome to General Knowledge Quiz, Tips, and Tricks channel. Let's start with the quiz number 10, that will help you gain knowledge. Let's see if you answer all correct, then you are a genius. Comment below and let us know how many answers you got it right. Question 1. What is the other name for ascorbic acid? Here are your options. Option 1, vitamin A. Option 2, vitamin B. Option 3, vitamin C. Or, option 4, vitamin D. The correct answer is, option 3, vitamin C. Next question. Question 2. The Red Data Book is a public document which is created for recording. Here are your options. Option 1, endangered and rare species of plants, animals, fungi, etc. Option 2, top missiles and weapons. Option 3, most wanted list. Or, option 4, extreme, harmful chemicals. The correct answer is, option 1, endangered and rare species of plants, animals, fungi, etc. Next question. Question 3. Who discovered proton? And the options are: option 1, J.J. Thomson. Option 2, Ernest Rutherford. Option 3, Wilhelm Wien. Or, option 4, William Prout. And the answer is, option 2, Ernest Rutherford. Next question. Question 4. Which technique is that uses a direct electric current to drive an otherwise non-spontaneous chemical reaction? Here are your options. Option 1, reduction. Option 2, electrometallurgy. Option 3, oxidation. Or, option 4, electrolysis. The correct answer is, option 4, electrolysis. Next question. Question 5. Which country made Rafale fighter jet? And the options are: option 1, France. Option 2, Germany. Option 3, United States of America. Or, option 4, Russia. The correct answer is, option 1, France. Next question. Question 6. When is the longest day of the year? Here are your options. Option 1, June 1st. Option 2, 31 June. Option 3, June 21st. Or, option 4, July 21st. The correct answer is, option 3, June 21st. Next question. Question 7. Which is the sweetest river in the world? And the options are: option 1, the River Thames. Option 2, Congo River. Option 3, Badra River. Or, option 4, Tunga River. And the answer is, option 4, Tunga River. Next question. Question 8. Which city is known as Pink City? Here are your options. Option 1, Mumbai. Option 2, Jaipur. Option 3, Surat. Or, option 4, Varanasi. The correct answer is option 2, Jaipur. Next question. Question 9. Which is the smallest fish in the world? And the options are: option 1, Ptycocyprus progenetica. Option 2, Leptophilipnion. Option 3, Pandaka pygmea. Or, option 4, Trimatom nanus. And the answer is option 1, Ptycocyprus progenetica, with a standard length of 7.9 millimeters. Next question. Question 10. Which type of blood is considered as universal donor? Here are your options. Option 1, AB positive. Option 2, type O. Option 3, A negative. Or, option 4, B positive. The correct answer is option 2, type O blood is considered as universal donor. Next question. Question 11. When is the Earth farthest from the Sun? And the options are: option 1, June 21st. Option 2, June 4th. Option 3, July 21st. Or, option 4, July 4th. And the answer is option 4, July 4th. Next question. Question 12. Who regulates the banks in India? Here are your options. Option 1, SEBI. Option 2, Central Bank. Option 3, RBI. Or, option 4, State Bank of India. The correct answer is option 3, RBI. The Reserve Bank of India, which was founded on April 1, 1935. Next question. Question 13. Who has been awarded as the Fashion Icon Award 2019? And the options are: option 1, Jennifer Lopez. Option 2, Shakira. Option 3, Beyoncé. Or, option 4, Gerard Pique. And the answer is option 1, Jennifer Lopez. Next. Question 14. What is the required temperature range for commercial freezers? Here are your options. Option 1 should be -10 degrees Fahrenheit, or -23 degrees Celsius. Option 2 should be 10 degrees Fahrenheit, or -12 degrees Celsius. Option 3 should be 0 degrees Fahrenheit, or -18 degrees Celsius. Or, option 4 should be 32 degrees Fahrenheit, or 0 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is option 3 should be 0 degrees Fahrenheit, or -18 degrees Celsius. Next question. Question 15. Where is the finest Indian teak found. And the options are: Option 1, Maharashtra. Option 2, Madhya Pradesh. Option 3, Karnataka. Or, Option 4, Rajasthan. And the answer is, Option 2, Madhya Pradesh.
Thanks for watching our channel. We will bring more educational videos soon, so please subscribe to our channel for notifications and share with your family and friends.